everyone, we are in the month of February, and February has become almost synonymous with Valentine's Day. However, Valentine's Day is surrounded by a debate about whether it deserves the attention that it receives. Is Valentine's Day as important as people make it out to be? We have four youngsters with us who would be sharing their experiences and perceptions about Valentine's Day. We have Zidan here.
Hi, I'm Zidan D'Souza from Sholim. I'm pursuing my final year in ECE, Electronics Engineering, at Agnes Institute of Technology and Design. I love basketball and I love playing the guitar and singing.
And we have Alilia.
Hi, I'm Alilia Silvera Souza from Betalbadi. Currently, I'm studying architecture in Mangalore.
And we have Rebecca here.
Hi, I'm Rebecca Mascalini. I'm from Porvorim. I'm currently in my final year of engineering. I'm from Porvorim and I've been teaching catechism for the past 6 years. I also play for FC Goa football, women's team.
And we have Lionel.
Hi, I'm Lionel Afonso. I'm pursuing a career in architecture. I love the outdoors and I'm a big fan of sitting at home and watching movies the whole day.
Okay, let's get going and listen to our youngsters. Zidan, when and how did you come to know about Valentine's Day?
Well, it was in my middle school days when we knew about Facebook and stuff like that, and my friends used to come around and talk about their ice kite kotta sange Valentine's Day mare. And then you used to go, and then when you used to go in the evening and sit on Facebook and all that, then you used to get this pop-up notification that today's Valentine's Day, who's your Valentine, stuff like that. So that's how I came to know 14th Feb was the Valentine's Day.
Okay, and what about you, Rebecca?
Since my school days, like Zidan said, and I grew up with older cousins, so they would always be teasing each other here and there about who's your Valentine for today and stuff like that. So that's how I came to know about Valentine.
And what about you, Alilia?
Pretty much like how they came to know about it, and also advertisements that went around.
Okay, and you, Lionel?
It was probably from movies growing up on rom-coms. I came to know about Valentine's Day and having a special someone that you celebrate the day with. So that's how.
Okay, so this was about when and how these youngsters came to know about Valentine's Day. Rebecca, have you ever celebrated Valentine's Day?
Yes, but not in the traditional way. I've celebrated with family at a program which was organized by a club. So they had a lot of games and mostly for couples, but they included the children too. So that, yes, I have.
Okay, and what about you, Lionel?
I never had a special someone, so I never celebrated that day and didn't feel the need to.
Okay, and you, Alilia?
I didn't feel the need to celebrate this day because I feel every day should be like a Valentine's Day.
Okay,
Pretty much like it.
that's fine. And you, Zidan?
No, I haven't celebrated the Valentine's Day, but I've been a witness to those who are celebrating it. So I've watched them celebrate, prepare for the Valentine's Day, right from the chocolate day, rose day, and then the red day, whatever. But I've seen the amount of happiness and the preparation that they put into making Valentine's Day special.
So that was about their experiences of celebrating the Valentine's Day. So Alilia, what is Valentine's Day for you? Is it important?
I think every day should be considered as a Valentine's Day, not particularly one day. Because every day you should care for each other, not just one particular person, but your family is also more important than just one particular person. So yeah, that's what I feel.
Okay. And what about you, Zidan? Is Valentine's Day important?
I feel Valentine's Day is important, because most of the time it's just everybody is just caught up in their own work cycle and thought cycle, and one day to give it to other people, to share your love with other people is important. So yeah, Valentine's Day is important.
Okay. And Rebecca, what is Valentine's Day for you? Is it important?
Yes, I feel Valentine's Day is important Although mainstream media has sort of raised the expectations of everyone of how to celebrate it, and it should come from you, within you, how you want to portray your love to someone, whether it is family or friends or your girlfriend or boyfriend. So
Okay.
it is important.
And what about you, Lionel?
I think Valentine's Day is a completely overrated holiday. I don't think you need a reminder every year to show appreciation to someone that's special to you. At the same time, you don't need that reminder if you don't have someone that you're single. So it's a completely overrated day.
Valentine's Day began as a feast day for Saint Valentine, the patron saint of plague, marriage, and love in the Middle Ages. It's over the years that this day has turned out to be what it is today. I thank our youngsters for sharing their experiences and perceptions about Valentine's Day. I hope our young viewers will be inspired. Thank you.